Hey there, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into a specific question. Does a VPN truly help with IPTV buffering issues that many users experience? Buffering can lead to frustrating interruptions in our streaming experiences, right? Let's start by explaining how a VPN can impact your internet connection. A VPN can help reduce throttling caused by your internet service provider. This means faster data transmission, which can lead to less buffering. Next, let's talk about server congestion. VPNs provide access to different servers. By connecting to less congested servers, you might reduce buffering even more. Now, choosing the right VPN is crucial for improving your streaming experience. Not all VPNs are created equal, so do your research before making a choice. Also, consider choosing a reliable IPTV provider. Our sponsor today is 2TV.store. 2TV.store is known for its high-quality streams and exceptional customer service. We'll share the link to 2TV.store in the description below for your convenience. Let's recap the key points we've discussed about VPNs and IPTV buffering issues. VPNs can greatly assist in reducing buffering when using IPTV services effectively. Reliable IPTV providers like 2TV.store, combined with a good VPN, can enhance your experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.